Get ready to witness the future of wireless audio as we unbox the all-new Apple Airpods 3rd generation. From seamless connectivity to immersive sound, these Airpods are redefining the way we listen. My name's Dennis, and this is Unboxed. Today we'll take a look at the Apple Airpods 3rd generation. The model I have is the standard option with the lightning charging case, currently retailing $169.99 on Apple's website. And get that out of there. But for just $10 more, you can upgrade to the MagSafe charging case. That'll give you wireless charging capabilities for your AirPods, in addition to the lightning connector you'll see on both models. And I know this is what you came for, but we're gonna set this down real quick. Take a look at the not so important stuff that most people tend to skip over. I know there's not much in here, but let's take a look. See if we can find some Apple stickers. No, it's just taking up space. Now, I'm the last to judge, but if you're one of those people who, really want to know all about the warranty and all the terms and conditions, I would say this is probably the only thing that you're going to be looking at. And as long as you have an iPhone, it is so easy to get connected. You just turn your Bluetooth on if it isn't already, and then you open the AirPod case and you're connected. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at these. Handle that with care. It's nice how they wrap this. But let's get unwrapped. All right. You know me, I love throwing stuff away, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna keep that, just in case that spatial audio isn't what it's all hyped up to be. Anyways, let's take a look at these. So this little button right here, that's what you would press to get connected to any other device. Let's just say you don't have an iPhone. But for me, I'm gonna just go ahead and get the case open, which is a very awkward feeling. Yeah, you'd rather do it with one finger, one hand. But yeah, you can see it's blinking, so it's trying to get connected. So what I'm gonna do is grab my phone and, all right, so you can see the AirPods there. Just hit connect, it's gonna do its thing. Apple knows they make some really nice graphics, yeah? All right, so that's just the media control, just showing you press once to play, pause, answer a phone call, twice to skip forward, 3 times to skip back, normal stuff. Once you've completed that setup, you'll be able to see your remaining battery life on both the case and the AirPods, which is okay. You get about 6 hours of listening time to music and about 4 hours of talk time with a full charge. You know, Apple's slowly but surely moving over to those Type-C connectors. So you have that Type-C to Lightning. I'm sure we'll see a Type-C to Type-C in future models down the road, but you never really have to worry about this thing dying on you like that. 5 minutes in the case, they say, provides you around 1 hour of listening or about 1 hour of talk time. So as long as you keep the case reasonably charged, you should definitely be able to get a few days, even up to a week, before you realize that you're stuck having to listen to all the craziness going on in this world. But anyways, guys, if you like this video, then like this video. Subscribe for more.